Are you having low call volume and hearing problems during phone calls? Hello friends, I am Carly. In this video, I'll walk you through 12 effective solutions to tackle this issue. Use volume button. First, press the volume up button on your iPhone while on a call to adjust the volume to a more comfortable listening level. That will raise the volume. Please make sure that this only works during a call. Force restart your iPhone. Follow the steps performed on the video screen. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. And press and hold the side power button until you see the Apple logo. Wait for the restart process to complete. Turn on voice isolation. Enabling voice isolation helps you maintain a clear voice during a call. It blocks background noise during calls. This solution works on phone calls, FaceTime, and WhatsApp calls. Let's look at the steps. First, start a phone or FaceTime call. Then, swipe down from the upper right corner to open the control center. Here, tap on the controls section. And then turn on voice isolation. Now you get a more clear voice. If the problem persists, follow the next solution. Remove screen protector. If you've installed a screen protector on your iPhone, check if it covers the top voice speaker. If it does, you may experience low volume during calls. I recommend removing the screen protector and case from your iPhone to see if the volume quality improves. Also, remove any accessories to see if that improves the sound. If you want to use your phone's built-in speaker but have issues with call audio, follow the next solution. Turn off call audio routing. This solution directs call audio to your preferred output, avoiding unwanted Bluetooth or hearing aid connections and helping troubleshoot audio issues. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up and tap on Accessibility. Then swipe up and tap Touch under the Physical and Motor section. After that, swipe up and find Call Audio Routing. Tap on it. Make sure call audio routing is set to automatic. This setting determines where your audio will heard during phone calls or FaceTime calls. That's it. Turn off hearing aid compatibility. If you are not using hearing aids, you should turn off hearing aid compatibility. This will help your iPhone return to the average audio output and increase the standard call volume. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up and tap on Accessibility. Then swipe up to the Hearing section and tap on Hearing Devices. After that, turn off the toggle next to Hearing Aid Compatibility. That's it. Turn off Bluetooth. Make sure your iPhone is not connected to headphones, AirPods, or any other Bluetooth accessories. Forget or disconnect them or turn off Bluetooth. To check, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Bluetooth. If your iPhone is connected to any Bluetooth device, forget them or turn off the Bluetooth toggle. Clean iPhone speaker slot and earpiece. First, use a soft toothpick brush to clean your iPhone's speaker grill and earpiece slots. Or take a cotton bud, damp it with isopropyl alcohol, and clean the top. After cleaning up, turn on your iPhone and check if your problem is solved. This solution is helpful to many users. Reset all settings. If you still face miserably low call volume, you might have changed the default settings on your iPhone. Hence, you should reset all settings to get your iPhone back to the default settings. This process will never remove personal data like photos, contacts, or apps. So, let's see the steps. Launch the Settings app and tap on General. Swipe up and tap on Transfer or Reset. Then, tap on Reset. Select Reset All Settings. Your iPhone may show an Enter Passcode screen. Enter your iPhone passcode and select Reset All Settings to confirm. Wait for the process to complete and for your iPhone to restart. Now unlock your iPhone and check if the problem is solved. Use speaker mode. If the volume is extremely low on calls, put the call in speaker mode. If the calls don't sound perfect, your iPhone speaker may be damaged, so check it. If so, jump to the last solution. Check software update. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. Now, wait for some time until your iPhone checks for an update. Make sure you are connected to the secure Wi-Fi network. If the update is available, download it. If you see iOS is up to date written on your iPhone screen, skip this step. Contact Apple support. If none of the solutions work, contact Apple support and speak with an Apple technician. You can also take your iPhone to the Apple Store to have it checked out. If you know of hardware damage, you can schedule a repair. Tap the top iCard to watch the full video on how to book a Genius Bar appointment. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.